Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install n8n locally on your computer step by step. First, we will talk about what n8n is and so n8n is an open source workflow automation tool that lets you connect different apps and services without writing a code, and then I will guide you through the installation and process. Will start by making sure Node.js and npm are installed on your systems. So next, we'll install n8n globally using a simple command. After that, I will show you how to start the n8n server and open it will on our browser, so you can begin creating workflows by the need. This video you will have both running locally and be ready to automate tasks with just a few clicks. So let's start. You can see that I have already added a command to install n8n, which is like, firstly you have to check that you have to must install Node.js into your PC or a laptop, whether you are want to install that. So so you can npm install for the Node.js, and after that you have to check the version like node-v space -v. It will show you the version of the Node.js which you have installed on your system locally. So after that you have to do that npm install n8n -g, which I have already added on the terminal. So you have to start the n8n like by adding the command like n8n. After the installation, you can see that it is taking too much time to install that. So after the installation you can put that command like n8n. So you can see on the video like we are have created like a command, and you can see that after the installation we have to move on browser. We can also press Ctrl plus O to open into our browser to see n8n workflows. So if you are a beginner or if you have already an n8n account, so if you are a beginner then you have to create an account for this, and I have already created my account on n8n. So if you are a beginner you need to create an account on there. After that you have to sign in. After the sign in you can see the n8n dashboard, whether you can create an workflows, AI agents, AI tools for your clients, for your own needs. You can create like many tools, many world tools, universal tools, globally tools, many LLMs without single line of coding. You have to only drag and drop of that AI agent on that tool. So I hope you will like that video from your end. So this channel is my personal channel, which is YT Panga 440, whether I will upload a video for you. Here is my first video, whether I have shown you how to install n8n locally. So on this channel you can learn many things, many projects for your outcoming goals, like if you want to become a software engineer, software developer, web developer, AI engineer, LLM engineer. You can also overview my channel, whether I will start upload. Okay guys, thank you, stay tuned.